Welcome to MidLife Escape Adventures Day 1 of the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. I'm currently in Ho Chi Minh City and packing up, and we'll be heading out to try to escape the traffic of Ho Chi Minh City. I don't know how this will work. We will see. We'll go get the bike loaded up, and I will see you again in a minute. My first taste of Ho Chi Minh traffic. At this point, I'm just trying not to get killed. You can see I get several cars pull out in front of me, probably all due to my fault not understanding the traffic flow. So my only goal was really to get out of the city without dying, and I seem to have accomplished that. Big lesson in riding to Vietnam on this particular day. found myself in a little bit of traffic jam, so I found an alternate route, checking the map, and I seem to be now heading through a market, which is not all that odd in Vietnam. I figured if the Vietnamese are doing it, I can do it too, and I managed to get away from the traffic jam back onto the main road. Got myself a little turned around. It's been a really long day, and I have finally managed to find a hotel. I will put a link in the description, and I'll put the name of the hotel up on the screen here. I ended up passing out. It wasn't a very long ride this day, but oh Lord, it was I think the traffic and the congestion just drained all my energy. So I ended up passing out and then going later and getting dinner and resting up for tomorrow.